Hi everyone, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Let us move on to the session number 9, problems on estimated cost sheet. Already we have learnt about the cost sheet and now the new concept, that is problems on estimated cost sheet. What do you mean by an estimated? Estimated is nothing but you are giving an quotation. If it is for 1 year, this is the sales, and for the next year, what is the sales or the profit you are going to earn. So, before entering into the cost sheet, let us understand the estimation. For example, if at all you are going for any of the shop to manufacture two chairs, he is going to give an estimation for two chairs. The cost is around 10,000 rupees, and you will think about the cost, whether I can go for an I can go for an manufacturing of two chairs or not to go for the manufacturing. Okay, so that is nothing but before entering into the estimated, before going for the manufacturing of the goods, let us know about what is the estimated cost sheet. Okay, now let us enter into the problem how we are going to calculate the estimated cost sheet. See, in respect of a factory, the following particulars have been extracted from the year 2018. Earlier, what we have been studied is only the normal cost sheet. Now we are going for an estimated. If it is for the next year, what is the cost you need to be paid? Okay, so that is what we call it as an estimated cost sheet. Cost of material 6 lakhs, wages 5 lakhs, factory overheads 3 lakhs, administration charges 3 lakh 36,000, selling charges 2 lakh 24,000, distribution charges 1 lakh 40,000, profit 4 lakh 20,000. In this problem for the year of 2018, all the information is given here. A work order has to be executed in 2019. This is what we call it as an estimation. For 2018, this is the cost they have been given. For 2019, what is the cost that we need to be calculated here. Executed in 2019 and estimated expenses are for materials they have given 8,000, wages they have given 5,000. Assuming that in 2019 the rate of factory overheads have gone up by 20%. This you need to be understood. See, for the year of 2019, the factory overheads has gone up by 20%. If it is gone up by 20%, how we need to be calculated? Charges have reduced by 20%, distribution charges have been reduced by 10%, and selling and administration charges have gone up by 15%. At what price the product should be sold? So, as to earn the same rate of profit on selling price as in 2018. What is the profit and what is the cost you are going to be incurred for 2019? Okay, factory overheads are based on wages and administration, selling and distribution overheads on factory cost. Okay, so this is the problem. See, I hope you all understood. For 2018, the cost sheet has been given, and for 2019, you need to calculate the estimated cost sheet with the help of the concepts what they have been given. The items they have been given that we need to be inculcated and you have to be calculated. Okay, let us move on to the calculation of this problem. See here, let us calculate for this problem 2018. Okay, first we need to calculate the cost sheet. Normal cost sheet should be prepared. Say cost of material, how much have been given? 6 lakhs. You have been taken the cost of material is 6 lakhs. And look at the wages. Wages is 5 lakhs. We have taken that. We have taken the materials and the wages. So how much you are going to get? The total of these two, because the expenses they have not given here. Okay, So 6 lakhs plus 5 lakhs is 11 lakhs. So total of the prime cost is 11 lakhs. So next we need to move on to the factory overheads. See here, factory overheads, they have given 3 lakhs. Now you have to be taken the factory overheads direct, that is 3 lakhs rupees. And rest of the expenses they have not given for this. Okay. So 11 lakhs plus 3 lakhs, how much you are going to get? 14 lakhs. So this is what we call it as a factory cost. And they have given the administration charges, that is 3 lakh 36,000. Take that here. Okay. So office and administration overheads is 3 lakh 36,000. So 14 lakhs plus 3 lakh 36 is 17 lakhs 36,000 you are going to get. That is what we call it as a cost of production. And selling and distribution they have given here. Distribution, selling and distribution is 2 lakh 24 and 14 lakhs, sorry 1 lakh 40,000 they have been given. So add these two, you are going to get 3 lakh 64,000. So the total cost, adding all the expenses, you are going to get the total cost is 21 lakhs. Sales already they have been given in the problem, that is 25 lakhs 20,000. And the profit you are going to get is 4 lakh 20,000. This is a normal cost sheet what we have been prepared for the year of 2018. Now we are supposed to prepare the estimated cost sheet. For the preparation of the estimated cost sheet, we need to go with the formula. Okay, that is how we have to be calculated here. See how we need to be calculated. Percentage of factory overheads on direct wages, that is given in the problem. So factory overheads divided by direct wages into 100. If we take this, see in the problem, factory overheads, how much we have been calculated? 3 lakhs. Take that 3 lakhs divided by the direct wages. Is the direct wages? So 5 lakhs we have. Okay, take that 5 lakhs. So 3 lakhs divided by 5 lakhs into 100, you are going to get as 60%. Okay, now next, you need to go for the factory overheads. 60% bandide, you have to be calculated. And next is percentage of administrative overheads on factory cost. So how to calculate this? Administration overheads divided by factory cost into 100. So administration overheads, how much you have been calculated, that is already given in the problem, 3,36,000 ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹಾಗೇನೆ we need to take the factory cost. Factory cost ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 14 lakhs ಇದೆ. Okay, take that 14 lakhs into 100. So you are going to get the percentage is 24%. With the help of the formula only, you need to calculate the estimated cost sheet. Okay, and next, after the administration, we are moving to the selling and distribution. We need to calculate the percentage. Selling and distribution overheads divided by factory cost into 100. Selling and distribution already they have given in the problem, that is 3,64,000 and tagoli. Factory cost is already we have calculated, that is 14 lakhs into 100. So how much you are going to get? 26%. Okay, next, percentage of profit on cost of sales. So this is also how much you are going to get the cost of sales. Profit ಎಷ್ಟು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. Okay, so profit divided by cost of sales into 100. Profit already you have been calculated, that is 4,20,000 and divided by the cost of sales. Sales ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 21 lakhs given in the problem. ಅದನ್ನ ಹಾಗೇನೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. So you are going to get 20%. Before entering into the estimated cost sheet, ನಾವು ಈ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ವಿ ಆರ್ ಎಂಟರಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದಿ ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟೆಡ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಇಯರ್ ಆಫ್ 2019. ಓಕೆ, now say already in the problem we know that materials na 2019 ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ? How much has been given? The problem is materials, so 8,000 anna kottidane. It has to be executed in 2019. Okay, 2019 ge materials 8,000 and wages so 5,000 anna kottidane. Okay, now we are taking the same here. Materials eštide? Materials 8,000 and the wages is 5,000 you have been taken. The total is how much you have got? The total is 13,000 we have got for an estimated cost sheet. Okay. Next, adadmele we supposed to take the factory overheads. Say factory overheads have to be increased by 20% anta avanu problem alli kottidane. Correct? Now we'll go back to the problem. See here, factory overheads have gone up by 20%. Correct? Have gone up by 20%. Okay. Now we have to be taken this. Now, see here, factory overheads increased by how much? See, factory overheads have gone up by 20%. Now, okay, already we have been calculated the percentage. How much we have been calculated? 60%. See here, that is percentage of factory overheads on direct wages is 60% we have got. But in the problem, how much you have to be increased? 20% should be increased on 60%. So 60 into 20 divided by 100. So you are going to get 12%. That is 60% plus 12%. ಆ 12% ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 20% ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ? 60% ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್. ಇವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 12% ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟೆಡ್. ಸೊ 60 plus 12, that is 72%. Okay, now 72% on wages. So how much you have the wages is 5,000. We have the wages. Okay. See, the wages is 5,000 ಇದೆ. Wages 5,000 ಮೇಲೆ 72% ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So how much we are going to get? 3,600. So prime cost is 13,000 plus 3,600 ಬಂದಾಗ factory cost ನಮಗೆ 16,600 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Next, after the calculation of factory cost, we need to go for an administrative overheads. See, administrative overheads should be increased by 15% ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತಹ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ? ಅಡ್ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಓವರ್ಹೆಡ್ಸ್ 20%, 24% we have received. Okay, now you have to be increased by 15%. So 24% ಮೇಲೆ 15% ಅನ್ನ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So 24 into 15 by 100. So you are going to get 3.6%. Okay na? So how much should be increased? 24% ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆ 24ಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಇನ್ನೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 3.6. So 24 plus 3.6 ಅಂದಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 27.6% ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Now ಆ 27.6% ಮೇಲೆ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So what is your factory cost? Factory cost is 16,600 ಇದೆ. ಆ 16,600 into 27.6% ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ 4,582 ರೂಪೀಸು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟು ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಿ ಅಡ್ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ you are going to get the cost of production, that is 21,182 rupees we are going to get. Next, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ selling and distribution overheads ಅನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. selling expenses were being increased by 15% ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಇವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ we have calculated, that is like 16% we have got. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಈಗ 16 into 15% ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 2.4% ನಮಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 16 plus 2.4 is 18.4%. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈಗ 18.4% we have got it here. See, distribution expenses were being decreased by 10% ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. 10% on 10%. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸಿ ಇವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ? ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆಗಿ 26% we have got. ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಟು 15%, ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಟು 10% ಇದೆ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಮೇಲೆ 16% ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ 10% ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ 10 into 10 ಅಂದಾಗ 10 into 10 by 100 ಆಗ 100 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 10 minus of 1 is 9% on factory cost. Okay. At the same time, see here already 16% ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು 15% ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಮಗೆ 16 plus 2.4 ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ 18.4% ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ 18.4% ಆನ್ ಯುವರ್ selling and distribution. Okay, let's see. Ega, this is how you need to be calculated. Now, if you calculate like this, you are going to get selling and distribution as 3054 and distribution should be decreased by 1494. ಇವೆರಡನ್ನ ಟೋಟಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ 21,182 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3054 ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ನ, ಅವಾಗ 25,730 rupees ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಿಸ್ total cost, profit ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. See, the profit is 20% on cost ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್? 25,730. ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ 20% ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5,146. ಈಗ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್. Okay, so this is how you need to calculate the estimated cost sheet. I hope you all understood. You can try at home once. Now let us move on to the next problem. That is the accounts of machine manufacturing company discloses the following information for the month ending 31/12/2018. That is materials 1,50,000, wages 1,20,000, factory overheads 24,000, office overheads 17,640. Prepare a cost sheet of machines and calculate the price which the company should quote for manufacturing of a machine requiring materials valued at 1,250 and expenditure on productive wages of ₹750. So that the price may yield a profit of 20% on selling price. See, always we need to be calculated on the cost price. If it is given on selling price, you need to be converted into the cost price. Okay. Now, this is what the cost sheet for the month. Materials 1,50,000, wages, see, 1,20,000. And you are going to add these two, you will be getting the prime cost. And for that, the factory overheads is 24,000. Take that, you are going to get the factory cost. And office overheads is nothing but your administrative. Take the office overhead 17,640. Then after that, you are going to get the cost of production. Okay, so the cost of production is 3,11,640. And in this problem, we don't have the selling expenses, selling overheads na kottilla. So hagagi selling and distribution overheads is nil. The total cost you are going to get is 3,11,640 you will be getting. Okay, next up, how we need to go for an estimated cost sheet. See here, prepare a cost sheet of machines, calculate the price which the company should quote for the manufacturing of a machine requiring materials is 1,250 and the productive wages is 750. Selling price ಮೇಲೆ 20% ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ you need to go for the calculation of the percentage of factory overheads on direct wages. So factory overheads, how much they have been given here? That is already we have been calculated. Look at here, 24,000 divided by direct wages ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 1,20,000 into 100 ಮಾಡಿ. So ಅವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 20%. Percentage of office overheads on factory cost, that is office overheads ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ already we have been calculated. Office overheads is 17,640 and divided by the factory overheads is 2,94,000 into 100. So you are going to get 6%. Okay, now next let us move on to the calculation of this. Now this is what we have been calculated the estimated cost sheet. Okay, now under this estimated cost sheet, materials already we have been taken 1,250, wages 750 already they have given in the problem. You are going to get the prime cost as 2,000 and for that we need to add the factory overheads. So factory overheads 20% on the wages. See here, you have been calculated 20% factory overheads on the direct wages. So our 20% may are 20% on your wages. Wages ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 750 ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಆ 750 ಮೇಲೆ 20% ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ 750 into 20 by 100 you are going to get 150. ಈಗ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ 150 ಅನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will be getting the factory cost is 2150. next adadmele you are going to get the factory cost. For your factory cost you need to add office and administrative overheads. So adu 6% on the factory cost already we have been calculated. See here percentage of office overheads on the factory cost is 6%. Now you take 6% on that and 6% on the factory cost. So 2150 is the factory cost into 6%. If you calculate 129 you are going to get. So if you add these two you are going to get the cost of production as 2279. For that you need to add the selling and distribution overheads. In this problem the selling and distribution is not given. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು nil ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. So if you add these two what is your total cost? Total cost is 2279. Okay. Now after the total cost we need to calculate what is the profit we have earned. Now profit ge how much you have got 20% on the selling price anta kottidare. When you calculate selling price on 20% andaga always it will be cost mele adu jaasti irutte. Okay. Now 20% on selling price is equal to 25% on your cost. Okay. Now so 2279 into 25% andaga how much you are going to get? 570 rupees is your profit. Your cost plus profit if you add you are going to get the sales as 2849. So this is how you need to calculate the estimated cost sheet. When you are preparing an estimated cost sheet andaga without the calculation on the percentage you cannot calculate. Okay. So now this is how you are going to get the profit as well as the sales for your estimation. And now let us go for the revision. What and all we have been studied till now. What is the cost sheet and how to calculate the percentage of factory overheads, how to calculate the percentage of office and administration overheads, and how to calculate the percentage of selling and distribution overheads. This is what we have been studied in this schedule number 9. I hope you all understood.